to the end. We only got, what, 10 more to go, including today, to make our 25 days, which the last episode will come out on Christmas Day. The strings are all screwed up. Look at this. I don't know how they get so long, guys. It's crazy. They're taller than I am. Because I'm short. Just like my editor. So, guys, day 16. Not Christmas related. A little bit of spring. A lot of it of Easter. So let's look at what we're going to make today. We've made keychains. We've made coasters. We've made something a little bit different. We're going to make some rabbits, right? So these are rabbits that stick together. As you can see, this rabbit here has a slot in the top. This one has a slot in the bottom. And they go together like 3D. This is all cut out. So it's going to take a little bit of time. 13 minutes is what it says. Who knows? You know, we've had ones that say 12 and takes 27, or 5 and takes 2. So, don't know. But yeah, so that's the project we're going to do today. We're going to make some awesome stacking rabbits. So, let's go over. Let's see if the laser wants to talk today. Probably not. But let's see. No. And he's way over there, too. He won't even come near us today. So, yeah. Whatever. Let that laser do what that laser is going to do. Yeah, he's kind of a stickler sometimes. I don't know. He's got an attitude problem. So, you know. He's a diva. I think he wants his own channel. I'm not real sure. So, I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? So, all right. Again, we're going to make these nice little rabbits here. Let's go ahead. We'll frame it. Make sure we're going to... These are... Let's see how big these are. These are going to be 5.4 inches wide. So that's both of them. So they're only going to be about 4 inches tall and that wide. So they're not going to be very big. Best thing about these is when you go to store them, they lay flat and they're that thick. So you can put them anywhere. So awesome. I love these things. We make butterflies as well of these. And then we have another video coming up in the 25 days of something else spring related that's very similar to this. And it's going to be interesting how I paint them, so stay tuned for that for sure, because I don't paint. Don't paint very well. So, all right, here we go. Let's get started on the bunny rabbits, guys. Let's hop to it. be a lot of little pieces. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. Let's see. Come on, Peter. Pop out of there, buddy. Oh my gosh. Spoil board is going to be full after this. That's alright though. We have our handy dandy scrap bucket over here. We'll put all the little pieces in. Pop out of there. That is. Come on. Alright. The little kickstand was holding us up there. Alright, I think we got it. Alright. Let's get this out of the way. It's X-Acto knife time. Let's go. Clean them up a little bit. There's one more chair. Boop. Alright. This one's got a couple more in it. Ooh, that's going to be interesting. Whew, that hurt. I got my sale. I gotta shave him here. Alright. So we got the two pieces. As you can see, basically they just slide together like that. And ta-da! There you go. There is our 3D geometric shaped bunny rabbit. Look at him go. Look at him go. Don't quite understand. Maybe. I don't know why some of them are just completely cut out. But still, very cool. We'll paint these in pastel colors. I think there's like 13 different ones of these. So, yeah. So there you go. Day 16, guys. Little Easter rabbit. And like I said, it packs up and that's it. That's all you got to do to pack them up. And you can win this. Just comment down below. Remember to like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.